Welcome to our factory. Today I'll show you exactly how instant noodles are made, step by step.
The flour mixture is kneaded into a flexible dough with carefully controlled texture.
Hydration levels are optimal. Good. Proceed with the mix cycle.
The noodles are carefully portioned and shaped to ensure fast cooking and consistent texture. Every batch must pass strict safety and quality inspections before shipping.
And that's how instant noodles are made. All aid, from start to finish.